Okay, this set of notes is from 6-1, so we're going to just do the first section of Chapter 6 because it mixes in with Chapter 5. We're going to solve systems by graphing, and make sure that you have your video titles on the left-hand side and you write your notes on the right-hand side. Okay, this video is just an introduction to system of equations. We're going to just scratch the surface of system of equations, and when we come back from winter break, we'll get more involved on how to solve system of equations. But we're just going to do the first method for this video. What is a system of equations? Well, in Algebra 1, it is a set of two equations with two variables. In Algebra 2, it could be a set of two or more equations with two or more variables. But for Algebra 1, we're only going to do two variables and two equations. And I'll go ahead and write a little example of what it looked like. So a system is usually represented with a curly bracket because a system is two, it's together. A set of two equations, so I can make up two equations like x plus y equals 9, or we can do y equals negative 1/3 x plus 6. This is a system of equations. It's two equations with two variables like x and y. So this is what it looks like when a system of equations is solved. Here on the left-hand side, I have two systems. One that's with a yellow bar underneath it, 2x plus 2. And then I have my second equation here, which has the blue line underneath it, which is y equals x plus 5. The yellow equation represents this yellow line, which also represents the yellow cab. And the blue equation represents this blue line, which is also represented by the blue cab. And they solved these system of equations by graphing it. And the solution to this system of equation is this point right here. And that point is 3, 8. 3, 8 is the actual solution to this system of equations. You can also solve a system of equations by substitution and elimination. And we're going to focus on these two methods once we return from our winter break.